Hello everyone, welcome to RC Driven. My name is David and today we're going to unbox this Nitro Slash. I've had a Nitro before. It's an old HPI Nitro. I always had a hard time getting that thing to run. And for a while I was just like, yeah, I don't want to deal with Nitro, but I want to give Nitro another chance. Actually, I bought it because now with having this, I pretty much have any and every Slash versions out there from Traxxas, whether if it's the two-wheel drive Slash, two-wheel drive Slash, four-wheel drive Slash, drag Slash, the late model T-mods. So I'm pretty sure I have all the versions of Slashes that Traxxas offers. So this was the only thing that was missing, so now I have it. In today's video, my plan is just to unbox it and kind of show what comes with a Nitro Slash, because I myself don't know. Never actually opened one and saw what's inside. So let's get her open and let's see. And it comes with the same TQI controller. I don't know if I gave it away of which color I got. Oh, maybe I did. Oh yeah, I did. Never mind, I was gonna say guess the color I got, but pretty clear by opening the box here. You guys probably saw it. So yeah, it was either the blue or the Hawaiian, I believe it's called. What exactly? Oh, doesn't say. So yeah, they no longer offer the top two colors. From my understanding, they no longer have that. But so I mean, I would have picked this color anyway. I would definitely like that. Just how different it looks. So to start with, it comes with a fuel bottle, which is cool. I wasn't sure if I had to buy one or not, so that's cool to know, to see. And the instruction manual. Well, in here you have your electric starter. Oh, nickel hydrate battery. I guess that's for the electric starter. And tools. I'm gonna open. So let's open this first. I was just getting too excited to open it to see to see the actual car. But let's get this open, because I'm definitely gonna need some of the stuff in here. This is, oh wow, this is different. I've never seen this plug before. That's a different plug. That's for the plug that, I guess that plugs into this, the electric starter. It has the cigarette plug. That's interesting. So, here's your electric starter. Nickel hydrate battery with that weird plug. This oil, oh, air filter oil. Oh, I'm actually surprised what amount of stuff it comes with. I guess your turnbuckle adjusters and wheel nut remover tool. Comes with a spare glow plug. I'm just kind of going through what, kind of run through what it comes with, and the rest is just stickers and numbers. That's about it. Oh, it comes with a manual. And here, if you notice, I'm running through this because I want to see the car. Oh, that's pretty cool. It actually comes with the owner's manual. Yeah, so just a quick recap. It has the manual, your electric starter, a spare glow plug, battery, tools, and your preload for your shocks, and this nickel hydrate battery charger. I may have to just cut the wire and replace the connector for the nickel hydrate. I don't know if I'm going to keep that. I'm going to use a different form. I mean, I have other Traxxas chargers I'll probably use. But yeah, so that's that. So now, I guess for the main event, there we go. here is your Nitro Slash. I'm definitely gonna see if I can put a clipless body on this. We'll see. Should be interesting. I wouldn't be surprised if you can't, because I think they're the same body, but see, so that's the color. I actually like the color, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool color. So look at that. Wow. Here's an up close look of what the Nitro card looks like. And it comes with this really cool metal blue chassis. Your spur and pinion gear, your servo for your throttle and brake. The same setup as your regular Slash, your electric Slash. Yeah, the front looks just like a regular Slash, so I think I should be able to upgrade the arms for the front. The rear is the one I have a question on. And also, if you notice, this has basically been flipped, the face backwards, because usually on a regular Slash, the shock is in the front, but they have this in the back. And the mount, this also is turned on an electric Slash. So it's a little different here. Definitely excited on what the experience for this is gonna be. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's pretty much it for now, but stay tuned. I definitely will upload more videos of this car running, and I'll see if I could shoot some videos of just the braking process and how I went about it based on what the manual says I should do. But yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like contents like this, please like and subscribe, and turn on your notification, because I definitely be posting more videos, whether if it's nitro or electric. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.